Move your fabrication shop faster with Zel X. Affordable, browser-based software makes it easier to handle quotes, manage jobs, make parts, and share information. With simple tools and an app designed with your needs in mind, the whole team can get started quickly, and you can win more business. In this example, we are going to create a sheet metal bracket within Zel X. We start off by creating a new project and filling in the project name and other key information. We'll select Create New Design and set to millimeters for the units. We need to transition to the sheet metal environment. Clicking on the Sketch command will select the front plane. Using Line command, we create an outline of a bracket. We can define different relationships like symmetric and equal relationships to the sketches. To define the dimensions, click on the line, and then double-click on the dimension to key in the required value. Once the sketch is fully defined, we can exit the sketch environment. We can define the default sheet metal properties by launching the Preferences dialog. We'll set the thickness to 2 millimeters and leave the rest of the values as default. Our design begins with a contour flange. After selecting the command, we'll select the vertical line of the sketch and set the distance to 400 millimeters. Within the Bend Parameters tab, unlink the default parameters and key in 15 millimeters as the bend radius. Our design requires some edge flanges. After launching the Flange command, we can select the edge and key in the length as 40. If required, we can modify the bend parameters and relief. We'll repeat the process to create a second flange. Our design requires a cutout on the sheet metal part. For this, we transition to the part environment. We'll create a new sketch, select the side face of the part to sketch onto, draw our profile with the Line command, and then select Finish Sketch. We'll select the Extrude command, select the sketch, and from the Boolean drop-down, select Cut, and select the sheet metal body to cut the material from. We can hide or unhide the required features and sketches from the part navigator as desired. We need to address the sharp corners. We'll use the viewfinder to select the right view. To break the corners, we'll select the Blend command. Select the two corners and set the value to 10 millimeters. Similarly, select third corner and key in the value of 50 millimeters. Notice that the blend operation has been applied to both the sides of the flanges. Similarly, we can use the chamfer command to take care of the sharp corners on the edge flanges. Simply select the edges and key in the required value. With our design complete, we require a flat pattern of the bracket for manufacturing purposes. We can transition back to the sheet metal environment and click on the Flat Pattern command. With a selection of the upward face and an edge to define the orientation, our flat pattern is created within the MBD Navigator. Accessing the MBD Navigator, we can select the flat pattern where we are presented with the bend line information. To view the sheet metal part again, click on Trimetric View from under the Standard Views drop-down. We also have an option to export the flat pattern as a DXF file format. Click on the Export Flat Pattern command from under the Flat Pattern drop-down and select the flat pattern we have just created. The DXF file gets saved automatically within the same project. To view the DXF file, navigate to the Projects tab and select the Sheet Metal Bracket project. It's just that easy to design your sheet metal components in Zel X, the affordable browser-based software that makes it easier to handle quotes, manage jobs, make parts, and share information.